Hi viewers, in this video we will solve problem 1.10 from the book Heat Transfer J.P. Holman 10th editions. So here is the statement of the problem. A certain insulations has a thermal conductivity of, so thermal conductivity is given. What thickness is necessary to effect a temperature drop of 500 centigrade for a heat flow of 400 watt per meter square. So thermal conductivity is given, that is 10 watt per meter centigrade, and what thickness is necessary, we need to find that to effect a temperature drop of, what is the temperature drop that is given, that is 500 centigrade, and for a heat flow of 400 watt per meter square. Okay, so heat flow per unit area, that is 400 watt per meter square. Now from the Fourier's law of heat conductions, heat transfer is equal to A change in temperature divided by X. So divide both sides with A. This will cancel out with this, and then you will get Q divided by A, that is K change in temperature divided by thickness. We need to find this thickness. So yes, I can write that X heat transfer per unit area, that is equal to thermal conductivity times to the temperatures. Now enters the value X. What is heat transfer per unit area, that is 400. What is thermal conductivity, that is 10. Temperature drop, that is 500 centigrade. So divide both sides with 400. You will get the X value, that is this 20 will cancel out with this, become 50 divided by 4. So 50 divided by 4 will give you 12.5 meter. I hope you understand. This is the thickness that is necessary for this much temperature drop. I hope you understand. If you still having confusion, you can ask in the comment sections. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.